The secret every parent and teacher wishes they knew. Turn I can't draw into look what I made in minutes without being an artist yourself. Dear friend, picture this. Your 6-year-old sits at the kitchen table, crayon in hand, staring at a blank sheet of paper. Tears well up. Mom, dad, teacher, I can't draw. Their little shoulders slump. Confidence crushed before it even begins. You've seen it 100 times. Maybe you've felt that helpless pang yourself, wanting to help but not knowing where to start because, let's be honest, you're no Picasso either. Or maybe you're the busy mompreneur, teacher, or Etsy seller who's dreamed of creating a side income from kid-friendly printables. But the thought of designing 500-plus original step-by-step drawing guides from scratch makes your head spin. Hours, days, weeks wasted. What if both problems had the exact same simple solution? What if you could hand any child ages 4 or 10 a worksheet that magically turns "I can't" into proud "I did it," while also giving you the power to sell those same worksheets, rebrand them, and keep every single dollar of profit? That's exactly what thousands of parents, teachers, and creators are now doing with Drawly TM, the complete How to Draw Templates Pack. That's changing how kids learn to draw, and how smart creators build real income. Turn I can't draw into look what I made, even for total beginners. Drawly isn't just another coloring book or random clip art bundle. It's a ready-to-use library of over 500 editable step-by-step how-to-draw templates, professionally structured to build real drawing confidence one easy line at a time. Each worksheet breaks down animals, vehicles, fruits, dinosaurs, holiday characters, people, fantasy creatures, and more into simple, traceable, progressive steps that feel like play, but secretly strengthen fine motor skills, focus, and creative independence. Kids start with half-drawn guides or tracing sheets, follow the numbered steps, and end up with a finished piece they're genuinely proud of. No frustration, no giving up, just pure "I did it" moments that light up their faces. And the best part, where you don't need any drawing talent to use or sell them. Everything is pre-designed, beautifully organized into themed packs, animals, objects, seasonal people, tracing, and more, and fully editable in Canva, the free tool you probably already use. Change colors, add your logo, swap text, personalize for your classroom, homeschool group, Etsy shop, or printable membership site in minutes. Parents and teachers are using Drawly TM to, and the I Can't Draw meltdowns forever. Make learning feel like fun instead of a chore. Watch shy kids blossom into confident little creators. Build stronger hand-eye coordination and focus without anyone realizing they're learning. Creators and mompreneurs are using it to launch profitable printable businesses overnight. Skip months of design work. Sell on Etsy, teachers pay teachers, Gumroad your own site, keep 100% of the profits. Rebrand and resell under your own name with full commercial and resale rights. Imagine this scenario. A parent grabs one of your Drawly TM-inspired worksheets from your shop. Their child follows the steps, finishes a cute cartoon cat, and squeals, "Mom, look, I drew it all by myself." Meanwhile, that $5 or $10 sale hits your PayPal, then another, and another. You wake up to passive income notifications from products you barely had to create. That's the Drawly TM difference. I create, teach, sell, repeat. Here's exactly what you get with Drawly TM today. Instant access to Wush 500-plus high-quality, ready-to-use drawing templates. Organized themes. Animals, cats, dogs, jungle, farm, ocean, vehicles and transports, fruits and veggies, dinosaurs, fantasy, nature, Christmas, Halloween, Easter seasonal packs, people and professions, tracing starters, and more. Fully editable Canva links, customize in minutes, no design skills needed. Printable PDF versions for instant classroom or home use. Lifetime access plus free future updates. Choose the license that fits your goals. Personal use license, I was 14 to regular 24. Perfect if you're a parent or teacher who just wants to use these at home or in class. Full access, unlimited printing for personal educational use, but no reselling. A commercial and resale license.